crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the mid beside and out, living my life, getting our dreams. I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. People told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'm screaming out, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that.
What's up, guys? Fabian here for the Pals of Cosplay, and guess who I ran into? Represent New York Comic Con to the fullest. That's like Chazzy is up in here.
Paladins of Cosplay, I'm telling you, if you're not at New York Comic Con and you don't come by the Paladins of Cosplay booth and get your stuff prepared, you're not doing New York Comic Con right. I'm out. Boom. What?
Tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky. And I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness.
Really excited to be here at New York Comic Con.
Wait, why did it just start recording now? Oh, just started. Oh my God. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Fabian, Eric, Law, and Odin Makes. While we were here repairing and patching a building for everybody that's coming through, guess who decided to come by and visit us? Odin, you got something to say?
I've just been really enjoying being here at New York Comic Con, and it was exciting to get to meet Paladins of Cosplay, and I'm super impressed with all the cosplay repair you guys are doing.
Oh, you know what that means to us when we hear something like that? Guys, do we feel that butterflies in our stomach?
Love it. And you know what?
This is how Odin makes.
That's it. I love it. Boom. Love you guys. We'll see you soon. Come check us out and check out all his videos. That's where we all got it from.
Please
Have a
do.
great one, guys. New York Comic Con. Love you guys.
Aloha. Kevin, you're cheating, Kevin. You did that when you were 10 years old. You can't do that now. Are you serious?
Dreams. Tell me what you know about
It's always creative plan.
about the trials of tomorrow. Rather lay awake in the bed full of sorrow.
I'm about to buy a used car from the Marvel lot.
We smash prices!
We smash prices.
I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it.
Hey, I said don't cut the top! You bastard! I'll bash you in the head with a bottle of banana ketchup. Leave me alone.
I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness.
I gotta go to bed at 9 o'clock. Guys, hey, I got your audio. Just kidding. Oh yeah, no.
Oh god, it's a strobe light! It's a strobe light!
I just got dizzy. Yeah.
Hold it! Hold it!